Hey guys, it's Lissette here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello. If you are a returning subscriber, what's poppin'? For this video, where's my phone? So I ended up getting a DM asking me to recreate this look. Oh, you can't even see it. I'll insert a picture. So it's this really pretty winter set, different types of pinks with some snowflakes. So I think this is really cute. This is the person that created this set. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead. We're going to recreate it. I might do some things different. I don't know. As far as the color, I'm gonna try to get some of the colors as close as possible. If not, we're just gonna do different shades of pink across each nail. So for this set, I'm gonna go in. I'm going to use the extra long non-C curve tips. I've already pre-measured my sizes, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and glue them down with my, where's my base gel? With my rubber base gel. Before I do this, I am gonna go ahead and apply my peel off base coat. This is the one that I've been using so far. This is the UNT Ready for Takeoff. Now, if you do remember, I did state that they did have these on Amazon, but I believe they're still sold out. So I am trying to work on seeing about getting my own peel off base coat. So stay tuned for that. I'm in the process of like testing stuff out. So I'm working on it, guys. Well, all I'm gonna do is just apply a thin layer to the surface of these nails, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and let it air dry for a few seconds. I don't apply a lot either. I apply a very thin layer, so I'm just gonna let that air dry. So as normal, to glue them, I just take a small amount of base gel, add it to the tip, turn on the light, line up my nail, and then I cure. Just like that. It only takes a few seconds. I'm gonna do this to all of them, and then I am gonna go ahead and cure it for a full 60 seconds. I don't want these too long, so, well, I don't want it as long, but I am going to cut it, I guess, like right here. Yeah, I think that's a good length. That's good. I'm gonna go in with my drill really fast. I'm gonna go in at 10,000 RPM. I'm just gonna quickly go in. If you're someone who's not comfortable with the drill, I would not recommend going in with this bit. This is the fine taper drill bit. I will definitely go in with the 180 sanding band. So, you know, just in case you're not comfortable with this and you feel a little bit safer with that 180 sanding band, I'm just gonna go in with this really quick. I miss talking to you guys when I'm doing my nails. I feel like I've been doing way too many voiceovers lately. I'm gonna go back in with my base gel, my rubber base gel, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit to the nail plate and then just drag it down the entire tip. And then I will cure it for a full 60 seconds. So for this, I'm going to do the Simply Pink Hard Gel. This is the one that's on my website, LGNPro.com. I'm going to go in with the number 6 gel brush. This is an oval brush. And I'm just going to add a thin layer like I normally do. And then I take a larger amount. And this is where I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to float this on top. If I need more, I'll go ahead. I'll pick up more, connect it to the gel that's there, and then continue floating that on top. Just like that, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to cure that. Someone asked me to do nails like if it was acrylic. I don't do acrylic, so we just going to try. But I'm going to add a layer to the bottom half first. Like, I think they do like 3-ball method. I don't know, like I said, I don't do acrylic, but we're gonna add a layer to the bottom first, like so. Okay, we're gonna cure that. I'm gonna add another ball on top of that, like a little closer. Not close to the cuticle, but close enough. This is how you do it, right? Like if it was acrylic, drag that down. That looks pretty good, actually. Go ahead and cure that. And then they do one close to the cuticle. And then we're going to cure that. Okay, I'm not going to lie. I feel like I definitely need, look how flat that looks. I'm just going to go in and do a normal bead like I would normally do. And then just create my apex. Okay, that's better. So I don't know if I liked creating it like that. I felt like it took way too long, especially since I had to keep going in and flash curing it in between each layer. I'd rather do a slip layer like this, and then just go straight in with a larger bead and float that on top, and then like, you know, cure that. I just felt like trying it the acrylic way took way too long, and we ain't got time for that. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up, and then we're gonna go into shaping. Only getting older, so I'm gonna pull you closer. If it's okay with you, pass me a cold one. We're only getting older, so I'm gonna. Okay, so for me, I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm going to cleanse the surface of my nails. This is going to remove that sticky layer, so when I go into filing, all the sticky stuff is not gonna get stuck in the nail file or the drill. So I'm gonna go in with my 4 Pro 100/180 grit nail file. I'm gonna file these side walls first, making sure it's really crisp, straight, the free edge. I'm not gonna go over the surface because I am gonna go in with the drill. I'm just gonna make sure everything is going to be straight first, because these are square. And I'm holding my nails relatively tight. I do have a peel-off base coat on, so I am trying to be careful at that. I'm gonna take out my dust collector for this. I do have this on my Amazon storefront if you guys are interested in this dust collector. I think it's called like the Miss Sweet dust collector. I don't know. I'm gonna take out my Melody Susie drill. I'm gonna put it on 22. I am using my fine taper drill bit. Oh, I'm gonna turn this on. So I'm just gonna go in with the drill and just shape these up, perfecting the shape. Again, this is a fine taper drill bit. This is from the drill bit kit that I sell on my website. Going, it's a good night. Baby, let it roll like the good times. Smoking and pouring, I'm focused on you, yeah. You can see it, everyone can see it. I'm feeling truthful right now, thinking I should do something right now. Lasso you up, getting buck wild. Yeah, I'm finna do something right now. Bounce. Tell the gang I'm out, call the lift up, lift you up. I go to town, stay for a while. They drop the ball, I hold it down. I'm playing center, but you the center of attention. I know you get the message, and the way I'm focused with lenses, custom made for me the metrics. Show you fit right in the schedule, and girl you fit like Lululemon. And yeah, I'm lost for words. Tell me who's running first, no mistakes. Girl you crossing me, what's got it work? And we're going and going and going. It's a good night. Baby, let it roll like the good times. Smoking and pouring, I'm focused on you, yeah. You can see it, everyone can see it. I could be a Romeo, tell them boys back up. I ain't going nowhere, I'ma for that back up. Put it on your story so all your friends see it. Everyone can see it, yeah. I'm just gonna go in and buff. Okay, I'm just gonna cleanse it really quick. So for color, I took out my Dreamy Electric Kiss. I took out Blacklight and then So Vital. I'm thinking about mixing some colors and making different shades of pink. And I took out the red to make this a little bit darker, and you know, the Blacklight to make a shade towards purple but still stay in the pink family. I don't know, we're gonna test it out. So I'm going to create 5 different colors to go on each nail. Like the plugins on this damn song, I cracked them all. You know I love it when you got that ass bouncing on me like a basketball. Baby, you could have it all. Only title that I gave you is this wave that I'm on, yeah. Saying that she love me, so I'm playing along. Looking her direction, now she taking it off. And I can't stop thinking about your curves. Teach you about the bees and the birds. Okay, so I got these 5 colors. I think I like them. I'm kind of worried about these two. These two might be too similar, but we're gonna see. I like them. So we're gonna go with this. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and, as stated in the last video, I am coming out with liners. So this is the longest liner that I'm going to be coming out with. I'm just gonna do Frenchies across all of them with each color.
Spark a new flame, I like that for you. Tell me what you want, I like that too. Yeah, I like that. I do. Grabbing on your left cheek with my right hand, tight pants, got me feeling the type of way. If you want it, I could give it to you all day. Name a time and a place, but I pull up. Yeah, dinner for the day, we could cook up. Yeah, take you down in the kitchen right after you hit the road. I swear I'm still thinking about your curves. Teach you about the bees and the birds. Then I eat the cake like dessert. She gon' bust it open real quick for real. I'ma drop it in like Vert. Tony Hawk. Got a super bad bitch, feel like Jonah Hill. Look at how she walk, yeah, you know it's real. No question, if she like attention. No question, I gotta give it to her, yeah, you know the deal. I'm a boss, I swipe that for you. Girl, you look good, you top 10, amazing. Spark a new flame, I like that for you. Ay, tell me what you want, I like that too, babe. Ay, yeah, I like that.
So I'm going to go ahead in with my matte top coat. I'm going to top coat all of them because I want them matte. And then I'm going to cure it for a full 60 seconds.
Te dije que valdría la pena. Esto es por lo que has estado trabajando tan duro.
So from here, I'm going to go ahead with my liner and I'm going to start drawing on the snowflakes. And then I'm going to go ahead with the LGNPro all-in-one acrylic system. Well, not system, but all-in-one acrylic in clear. And pour that on top to give these snowflakes that 3D matte look. Now for the dots, I'm actually going to go in with the back side of my brush. I just think it's easier than switching out to a dotting tool.
Get to the crib to my pops, and when we dine, it's mission to stars. I got a yacht doing 70 knots. Pull up on you, baby, tell me the spot. She got a man, but she see the ice, and she let the boy take a penalty shot. Nothing but net, yeah, I'm wet from the top. Hard in the pain when I step in the box. She brought a friend, it's getting intense. I put it down at the flex of the guys. The fruit of the labor tastes sweeter when you the one planting the trees. This shit was written, I lived through the script, can't imagine the feast. Opportunity's the only type of offset the team pay attention to. I put myself on a pedestal, life is incredible. I'm working hard, I deserve it, nigga. I can't believe what I did. I got the bag, then I dipped, yeah. Love for the door and I simp. Louis V satchel equipped, yeah. She want a piece of the kid. Spanish mommy from Madrid, yeah. Shawty want all of this shit. I cannot handle my bitch, no, no, no. Carousel, oh carousel, unparalleled. How'd I make it out? Hey, look, 10,000 hours in the book, and money they switch up on you. My bitch and my dogs in the coop, they'll tell me that I gotta choose.
I feel like the more I do these snowflakes, the better I get. So the very first one looks okay, but then the last snowflakes look really good. It's like a progression. So now, of course, you already know I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some bling. And I think I'm going to do my pink crystals for this. And then add like 1 or 2 little gold accessories. And then, of course, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue it down with my bling rhinestone gel.
I can't believe what I did. I got the bag, then I dipped, yeah. Love at the door and I simp. Louis V satchel equipped, yeah. She want a piece of the kid. Spanish mommy from Madrid, yeah. Shawty want all of this shit. I cannot handle my bitch, no, no, no.
So this is the final look. I think they're so cute. The pinks are so pretty. Loving my custom pink colors. I'm loving the length, honestly. I feel so bougie with these. They are so freaking cute. Even though she didn't use any bling, you already know me. I had to go ahead and add some bling on it because that is the Lissette way. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. And if you want to purchase anything, you go to LGNPro.com. Of course, I have everything linked in the description box. But yeah, this is it. This is the design. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya.
We toast to the winds. I love that I'm not alone. Sun hit the skin. She got a copper tone. My mama got too much Chanel, but I just bought her more. Get to the crib to my pops, and when we dine, it's mission the stars. I got a yacht doing 70 knots.